Okay, thank you. I begin in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. All praise belongs to Him, and all of us have to return to Him. I am grateful to the Ambassador, Consul General, and Consul Hajj for organizing this wonderful program and for giving me this opportunity of interaction with this august audience. Ladies and gentlemen, Muslims generally have a desire to perform Hajj to attain high spiritual pleasure. Thanks God in this regard, I have been blessed with a double edge. In 1975, after completing Hajj, my father, Mr. Sayyid Mahmood Hassan of Bahraich in UP, had peacefully expired while lying in his hotel room in Makkah al-Mukarramah and is buried there in the sacred Jannatul Ma'ala graveyard. May he and others gone by be bestowed with high place in paradise. Ameen. Secondly, later I got an opportunity to organize 4 Hajjs for my fellow Indians. In Saadat Bazore Bazu Nest, Ta na bakshat Khudaye bakshinda. This blessing cannot be taken assertively. It comes only when bestowed by God. Ladies and gentlemen, the Canadian professor Hannah Cassis says in his concordance of the Quran that the word daulat, that is wealth, is derived from dula, which means a commodity that keeps moving from one hand to another. He might have taken inspiration from the Holy Quran 59.7. Wealth must keep on circulating in society and not remain confined in a few hands. Friends, this injunction has direct relationship with people's savings for Hajj. The long-term savings to perform Hajj in future should not remain unproductive and instead should be used to earn extra divine favors, that is, sawab. You would be happy to know that for this purpose, Zakat Foundation of India has established Hajj Fund of India. Details can be seen at the website zakatindia.org. Friends, the consulate has advised me to talk also of my reminiscences of 1988 to 1991 when I headed the Hajj department there. In 1988, the ship journey was known to be a facility for poor pilgrims. We researched and found out that this presumption was incorrect. Actually, a ship pilgrim ended up spending more than the air pilgrim. Also, there was seasickness and other factors. Hence, we sent a detailed report to the Government of India, and thus the ship was discontinued. Till 1988, the only permanent Indian presence in the holy cities was through a dispensary in Makkah al-Mukarramah. We established full-fledged Indian Hajj offices in both cities and during Hajj season began hiring office space at Jeddah's Hajj terminal. Till 1988, every pilgrim had to carry a bank draft of about 800 odd Saudi riyals to be paid to Saudi authorities. Some elderly pilgrims used to misplace their draft. That resulted in plane loads of pilgrims being withheld at Jeddah Hajj terminal till the matter was sorted out. We reached out to Saudi Hajj Ministry and convinced them that the payment of the compulsory dues of all Indian pilgrims coming through Hajj Committee of India would be the responsibility of the consulate. So since then, thousands of pilgrims were saved of being held up at Jeddah terminal. Friends, we pioneered the concept of the annual Hajj action plan, what should be done, when and by whom, and we meticulously acted thereupon. Till 1988, as His Excellency the Ambassador was just now referring to, it was the Muallim's responsibility to accommodate the pilgrims. But we began the system of pre-arranged accommodation scheme. Till 1988, the Hajj section in CGI did not have a single computer. we created a full-fledged computer cell there. Since then, the consulate has come a long way, and so many improvements have been made for which it deserves compliments. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy that our Honorable Prime Minister has excellent relations with His Majesty, the custodian of two holy mosques. So on this occasion, I appeal to His Majesty that in addition to the most wonderful work already done to manage Hajj and Umrah, kindly create in Jeddah an international academy of Hajj management to continuously research on mass movement, traffic control, crowd planning and regulation, and public relations. I am sure that my appeal will receive serious consideration by the kingdom's government. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also looking forward to the resumption of passenger flights between India and Saudi Arabia. May God bless the organizers of today's event. Thank you.
In Makkah, particularly in the Mashayar region. We reached out to the senior officials of South Asia Muassasa and received some recollection of memories from them. Let's see what they
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا سعيد جدا بهذه المناسبة التي أتاحتها
आज मुझे इस पुरमसरत मौके